the way I am now. A dead person, I prefer to die than to live like this. No life in me. The pain is too much.
So the case was heard today in court.
Yes.
So far, how has been the legal process?
So they adjourned the case. I don't even know the date. They adjourned it. It has been like that since.
Okay.
When I meet government, as I cry, say make it bury my pikin for me. I not fit bury am. Government, the governor call bury the pikin for me because I cry to am. As he bury am, they come tell me for they beg me say make I not die. Now they beg me make I not die. Death not be person get am, but God hear their prayer. He make I not die. They come tell me say they go assist me. I plead. They say they go assist me. I leave them not to leave me alone. They say they go assist me. All the promises they made, all of their debts. The most painful one out of all of them, the career of my child, who gave up her own career for Elozino to start. If she's about to graduate, she go start. And they kill her like that. They promise that that girl will go to school because I told them the fact that the girl did not pass due to the situation of ground. But they promise that she will still go to the school. They will help me to make her go to school. Since then to today, all my plan, all my effort for this girl to go to this nursing school here in Ejeba, the plan have been failing. The most painful one, this very recent one, after this girl don stay school for 6 months, all the struggle, me they go there every day. They go check her, know how my daughter be. Principal, how my daughter, your daughter fine. She's one of the students that is doing well. You don't need to worry about your daughter. Even though he did not promise me anything, he never complained of anything evil concerning my daughter for me. So I put my eye on him, that he is there for my daughter according to the advice they gave to me, that I should not, you will not go carry a child to school and you will allow her or him to be alone. So I was so close with the principal until the name came. So when the names came, they said my daughter did not pass. I'm repeating it. That is what they said. And I'm happy as a mother due to the circumstances. Elozino that was 300 level and she have already become a first class, or they kill her. Is still my daughter. You will not, even me that used to read before, I don't read again. I cannot even speak well. You can I'm not a graduate, but I can speak, I can read, I can write, but now I cannot even talk. So I know the effects when that killing affect. So I pleaded for the school authority here in Ejeba to give my child second chance, make him learn, make him not dey ask, make him not turn to useless. He say, principal say he not go help me. So I can't go Asaba. I reach Asaba, the one they do me for Asaba, and I was. They not gree allow my daughter to go school. They not gree allow her to start with other people. Even when the commissioner of police with the commissioner of health, when they don't talk for phone, explain everything. The two agree, say make they help me, make they stop me from crying. They cry too much. Make this girl go school so that I go they call her early morning the way they call Elozino, and they turn her down. The authority of the department of nursing department, they refuse to let my daughter go to school. You can see for yourself when you go to the room, the load of the girl that you used to spend in the school for 6 months, all the money that we spend. And this even this school we are talking about is Honorable Ofuzoriya Macaulay, the former SSG to Governor Ibori. He is the one that even Governor, the former SSG to Governor Ibori.
Uduaghan.
Ibori. Is it Uduaghan? What position is the owner?
I don't know.
The help of our former SSG to Kowa of Ofuzoriya Macaulay, who is now the present holding one position now in the states, that paid the money with the hope that this girl is in school, because we have already told him that this girl is the one who signed. The girl is in school only for them for exam to come. They said the girl did not pass. That is what they told me, and I never argue it with them. I happy, and I told them with tears crying They should allow this girl to learn. Let her be in the school to learn. They should give her that chance to learn. It will help me to recover. Because I will be calling her early morning, 5 o'clock, as I used to call Elozino. The principal said he cannot help me. I went to Asaba. I explained everything to them, the situation, with tears, with everything. They refused to help me. Somebody, another person was even there, pleading, begging them to allow this girl to go to school. The people in charge in Asaba, they said it can never be. My daughter must wait. Even when the new e-take is still on ground, they say my daughter must wait until form will come to buy another form. And I told her that I am a widow. How am I going to skip through it? They did not even bother. They didn't bother to help me. I came home with tears. Even all the effort of the commissioner of police, the commissioner, former commissioner of the health, all of them, they proved them abortive. They left, they gave me rope to die. We have not even recovered. That thing, everybody fell down. Everybody was down. Because for this girl to came back from the school with her load, still in the house with me, I'm seeing her load that she brought from the school, the load of Elozino that they keep from Deso. Nothing can be difficult than this. I am a strong woman, but this I cannot handle. That is not even the issue. But the justice that my state promised giving to Elozino, that they will give justice to Elozino. Till today, 3 years now, is it not enough for the state to pass the judgment? Okowa, this thing happened in your time. Let me tell you, all the promises you made to me, they fail. Because you did not follow them up. If you follow these promises up, they will not fail. Ofuzoria Makole have tried. My Bishop Aruapo, Usuoma Aruapo, I've tried. I'm the one who even transport to Usuoma, Bishop Aruapo, to go and beg him not to call anybody in the state again. Because they started making mockery of him. So I went there to stop it. Till today, 3 years, nothing have happened. Mama Elozino is dying under your hand. And this thing happened in your time. You're supposed to ask yourself, why did it even happen in my time? This thing has been there for a very long time. That is one of the reasons you're supposed to treat me with every care. If the educational sector in Delta State can be so wicked, evil to me to this extent, telling my daughter not to go to school, stopping me, making me depressed more than this, and my daughter even died for other children to be free when they are in school, is it of any benefit to me at all? Does it mean that the killing, the life of Elozino that was wasted like that, never mean anything to the state? If it did not mean anything to the school, what about the state? Up to today, Deso leave me to rotty. As we are talking now, Deso abandon me to rotty. The state abandon me to rotty. A school, my own state will not allow my child to go. When am I going to make money? How am I going to look for admission? Even if they even give me the admission today, how am I sure that my child is safe in the hand of the authority of the nursing department? I'm afraid, because I don't know what they told them. My daughter is a quality girl. It's not an any girl. I don't know who called them. Who called them? They that are authority. That I don't know, because the way they treated me and my daughter as if they knew us. They know us before. It is a great surprise. I cannot handle it. My heart is too big. I am saying it. Anybody who can get to the page of the top people in this nursing department, please send this video to them. They not just kill me. The people that kill Elozino, they are not better than the killers of Elozino. Because what they did to me affected the whole house. My own house. He affected them. Right now, frustration fell on me today. Enough for good people. I would have been a dead person. I don't really know what happened to me before this video is coming. Those of you that are not seeing me on air, never you believe that I have recovered. Elozino mother have not recovered. In fact, the case is going worse and worse. I am trying to cover up to recover. I really want to recover. But the pain, the frustration that people are causing me, more especially the nursing department of the state, that refuse my daughter to go to school even when I beg, expecting that my daughter must score 100%, or that money that do not even consider the way they killed my first class in 300 level. It's a shame, it's a taboo, it's a pain to me. It's a pain, and it was even women who did this to me because somebody, a man called them. What is it? What is it? What did they want me to do? If this guy refused to go to school today, if this guy cannot go to school today, it is the fault. It is the fault of the Department of the Nursing in the state, Delta State, and still the fault of Governor Okowa, who this incident happened, and he did not even care. A girl who gave her life for other children to go to school, her own elder sister, who gave her life to stand, was unable to go to school in her own state. If this video is not attended to, I am going to call on other states to give my side education, because I will not allow my daughter to be destroyed. Okowa, do something, know something about Mama Elozino. You dey give people food, you not dey give me. You dey empower people, my children, me, you neglect, even during COVID-19. Okowa, if you dey ask of me, these people not go take me make here. I don't tire. Make the case. I don't tire. I don't want again. Anything one I want do now, I get power. Me and my children go Asaba. Every now and then. Enjoy. I don't tire. You not give me food shop, but when they feed the killers of Elozino. What, and I go put them. I don't tire to go to court. Decide, give authority to Attorney General. Let Attorney General give it to the judge, that woman judge, so that he could decide this case anyway. One on our water. I don't tire, or naked. Now this young man begged me to wear cloth. And naked, and naked. I begged me to wear cloth. Now they wear this cloth. I but they give me dress they wear. Of course, my college they give me dress they wear. But on the pull on. On the pull on come off from my body. I am a Christian. I am not a killer. Help! Talk, do something. Okowa, do something. Talk to the judiciary and do something. Do something. My daughter must have career. Stop! This evil too much. Down, they play the cassette where they confess food.
So, at this moment, going forward, what are you demanding? Do you want the state government to withdraw the case, or
let the state government decide the case now, because that is what they promised me. They should decide the case.
You want justice for?
Yes, now, and it should not be delayed. It should not be delayed, because I and my children, we are tired of going to court. Today, would they be case? Would they be case? If they put me down, I am dying. Before my mouth go close, the mouth don't close on you before to die. So let me talk, make people know. State government, speak to people involved. Let them decide this case. I and my children, we are tired of going to court. If the state government, up till today, they never know the right thing to do to killers of Elozino, let them decide on what to do. All I know, the case don't make they decide that. Make them, because I they die. Now out of them, not be people today have done that, because I even naked. And when frustration fell upon me, when I remember, I said that they judged my pikin killing case for Asaba. I lose control of myself. I was naked. I don't even know. I don't know. I cannot pretend to do that. I cannot. They should decide the case. Enough is enough. You don't do it. Killers of Elozino, you don't do it. I beg.
So you also said that Governor Ifeanyi Okowa made some promises to you when you visited him.
Yes.
What were those promises?
The promises he made to me through the Attorney General is that they will empower, they will give my daughter a job. I don't want to talk about the promises now. See, I don't want to talk about the promises so that the promises will not make it be too over delay more than this. The only thing I want to request from Governor Okowa, I beg, they beg you. Now you tell your panel, make they tell me make I not die. Say make I not die. The thing when happen to me big. God call here on a prayer. He can't keep me alive. He keep me alive till today and not die. Before they come out to make this video, so you go not say I don't over try. All my effort I don't try. Governor Okowa, I beg you, this case, it don't reach where you go call your panel. Make on decide that. Decide the case, make it not to take. I know me and my children, we are tired of going to Asaba, going and coming. And because I value my daughter, we not go stay say it don't mean anything to us. Decide and let the whole world know your decision. concerning the killers of Elozino. That is what I want. So that I not go dey think, what to go as about how my son want to go. When he don't go come, he not go come out for a room, he go sick. Everybody go get BP, get migraine for this house. He don't too much. Decide that. Then apart from that one, Okowa, you tell me, say, I beg your government, tell them the truth, say my daughter not pass that time for the nurses school based on the killing of Elozino. You know how that pikin clever rich, as he no book rich, first class for 300 level. The parent went there for nursing department of Delta State. When he be say their children are there in the first class all over the world, they say my pikin not pass. My pikin not go fit go nursing school. They say not pass. Even when the commissioner of police I cry for her, explain to her, make he help me beg there. Make the pikin fit go to the school, make they give him opportunity to learn with the help of the immediate past commissioner of health. In support, immediate past commissioner of health support, make my pikin, make they give her a chance to learn. Now the people in authority, when they be first class, them and their full family, they say my pikin no go school. They screen am out to make him not go school. They say he not pass. After he just spent 6 months, when of Uzoria Macaulay don't even pay money for her. I don't know what to tell Uzoria Macaulay. But make himself still know, say the pikin why you pay money make he go school. The nursing department not agree make he go school. They say he not pass. Even when the commissioner don't give her the admission, make with the chance make he go learn, make it for go school, make it for get career. The department of the nursing they not agree make the pikin go school. They say we must wait. They not agree. They say no, the pikin not go school. And they know say I be widow with tears. With tears. I cry for the principal. I cry for the high people. All of them. Nobody say gree make my pikin go school. They say that my pikin not pass. Who go get first class? Who family Elozino go come from? When somebody go write exam for that house, then the person go get first class. He go get 100 by 100. Any mark where the pikin get, with the way I cry, with the determination when this girl gets to learn, therefore suppose let her go school because now waiting you promised me before. Now make me the talk. So I know even as I dey tell you now, do something now. You do something now. Because if you allow me to die, God will ask you, it happened in your time. How far you don't go with your mama Elozino? If you really dey ask of me, these people go treat me like this. If you care, say you promise one girl make it go school, you won't know whether the girl don't dey school till today. Even you yourself, you dey demand pass again. You dey demand pass again. Till today. This one, these things are too painful. No encouragement is coming from the states to me at all. That's so old. They are old. Don't destroy. They don't care. Rotty there. Now that's so old that. But what about my own state? But what I dey tell you, governor, make you not say I get no truth. Make my daughter go school. For nursing, say na the pasture when he get be that. And apart from that one, I'm afraid the people in authority, they go let this girl go school. They're not going to set them up with the hatred where they get for innocent girl where they never see. Where they never see. Why? They go let her go school. So I'm afraid. Now make me tell you. The